6 million views. This video of mine on TikTok got 6 million views. I'm going to share with you how much TikTok paid me for my video with 6 million views, and we're going to talk about how much TikTok pays creators on this wonderful platform. Let's cue the intro, and while the intro plays, comment your TikTok handle below. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Peterson. I'm a social media strategist and TikTok expert, and I've had some awesome success on TikTok. I currently have over 260,000 followers on TikTok, and every single month I get millions of views. In fact, every single week I get millions of views on TikTok, which is not too shabby for a mom of 3 over the age of 30. But one of the questions that people have asked me is, how much does TikTok pay you? Like, how much money do you make for your videos get a lot of views? There are also a lot of people who have used this like TikTok how much you should make calculator, which we'll talk about whether or not that is even accurate. But let's take a peek real fast at my video. You guys ready for it? So I did the challenge, walk in front of your spouse naked, and I thought that would be a really fun challenge to try. The video got 6 million views, 124,000 likes. It was even featured in an online compilation that had something crazy like 75 million views. It was actually kind of insane. But the question that all these people were asking is how much does TikTok actually pay creators? So first and foremost, I want to share a debunking of this one calculator that a lot of people use. It's this calculator that supposedly calculates how much you should be getting paid for every single post. And I've seen people share oh, this is how much Charli D'Amelio makes per post, or this is how much Addison Rae makes per post. So I'm excited to take you guys behind the scenes and let you know how much I made off of that video that got 6 million views. Are you guys ready for it? Here is how much TikTok paid me. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. In fact, TikTok doesn't pay creators, which makes it very different than YouTube or some other platforms, including Instagram, which is now starting to compensate creators for ad roll within their videos. So TikTok does not pay creators because most of the time ads come between the videos. So that means that there's not actually any revenue currently as it stands for people who have popular videos. Now, that being said, are there some big creators who may be sponsored by TikTok? Yes, we're not going to rule that out completely. In fact, I would be willing to bet that a lot of the really big, massive creators are sponsored by TikTok, because TikTok knows that those creators bring people back to the platform over and over and over again. Now, that being said, when your following grows and you hit kind of a certain point, and I know for me it happened at about 220,000 followers, you may be invited to the TikTok Creator Marketplace, which is a place where corporations, businesses, brands can actually find you and sponsor you on TikTok. But I have to put an urgent warning out there. If you think that buying fake followers is going to help you to get invited to the marketplace, absolutely not. So TikTok is looking behind the scenes at your engagement, how your following is growing. They're making sure that you're legit before they invite you to the TikTok Creator Marketplace. Now, I am a part of the TikTok Creator Marketplace, and I have gotten paid anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per TikTok video that I create with that Creator Marketplace. So it's a very powerful way to actually make money. However, you can make deals outside of TikTok with brands as well. Now, I put together an entire video, and you may want to check it out, how to make money on TikTok. And it shows you a whole bunch of different ways besides just the Creator Marketplace that you can make money on TikTok. But I also put together some awesome resources for you guys. You can check them out beneath this video, including my TikTok starter pack, which shows you how to really grow on TikTok. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you learned something new. I'll catch you guys in the next video.